Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. These baked apples are the best way to get your apple a day. Here comes the recipe. Peel, deseed and slice 2 apples. Leave the apple slices in lemon water mixture to prevent darkening. Then, place them on a layer of parchment paper. Sprinkle with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, place 1 cinnamon stick on top and add a few cloves. Cover the apples with parchment paper and secure the edges by folding inwards. Leave one edge open. Pass the parchment bag on an oven tray and pour 200 ml of sour cherry juice over the apples from the open edge. Then close the last edge as well. Bake for 30 minutes in an oven preheated at 180 degrees. Serve with ice cream and crushed pistachio. Hope you enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Please comment below for further questions. Thanks for watching!